insider versus outsider narrative being very strategically set in Goa by some is designed to distract us and to divide us. Why the strategy is being cleverly planted is so that the real issue of greed-driven destruction of Goa can be ignored. How is land from Goa being leased or sold to these outsiders? Hello, hi, salam or namaste. Welcome to MQM News Network, your news with all the views. In order to be a greedy, corrupt sellout, you can be born anywhere in this entire world. Today at MQM News Network, we are very proud to announce the launch of United Goa. United Goa is a community open to anyone and everyone, wherein we will not check your birth certificate. You could be born anywhere on the planet. If your mission is to reclaim Goa, then you are welcome to join and be a part of this community. The fight is no longer about saving Goa. In fact, the fight was never about saving Goa. Goa has been home to freedom fighters, has been home to activists, to politicians, to citizens who have put in their hard work, sweat, money, times, in fact their lifetimes in ensuring that Goa remains the paradise that it always was. Well, the water does not ask for your birth certificate. The forest will not ask if you're a native or a newcomer. All that Goa cares about is that Goa remains green, Goa's hills are saved, Goa's marine life and the environment remain intact. The differentiation is no longer about insider and outsider. We very well know of some outsiders who are at the forefront with other Goans to ensure that Goa is not sold, not illicitly sold. Segregation is now about who is wanting to protect Goa and who is here to exploit Goa. And these groups do not require your birth certificates. The fight is about keeping Goa first. And in this, we are all one team. Because today, with the launch of United Goa, we will clarify one more thing. It is one nation, one Goa. You could be in any part of the country. In fact, you could be in any part of the world. But if your intention is to bring Goa back to what it once was, then you are welcome to be a part of United Goa. Because for us, your birth certificate does not matter. What matters is your intention. And if it is Goa first, then be a part of this community, United Goa. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay tuned in to MQM News Network. The Indian Army protects us from the enemies outside, while MQM News Network vows to protect you from the enemies within.